Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world.
It's great to be here again. How are you today, David?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I had a nice morning. I woke up early, went for a short run, and then had breakfast.
Wow, that's a healthy start to the day.
Yes, I'm trying to keep good habits. What about you, Emily? How was your morning?
It was good. I didn't go running, but I did some stretching and made a smoothie for breakfast.
Ooh, nice. What kind of smoothie?
Banana, strawberry, and yogurt. My favorite combination.
That sounds delicious. I had eggs and toast. Simple but filling.
Perfect breakfast.
Before we start, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to Mr. English Podcast.
And don't forget to give this episode a big thumbs up and share it with your friends or classmates.
That really helps our podcast grow so we can make more episodes for you.
Exactly. Okay, Emily, what's our topic for today?
Today, we're talking about healthy habits and daily routines.
Ah, that's a great topic. Everyone wants to live a healthy life.
Yes, and we'll also share what we do every day to stay happy and healthy.
Sounds good. So, Emily, what's a normal weekday like for you?
Well, I usually wake up around 7 a.m. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water.
That's smart. I've heard it's very healthy to drink water right after waking up.
Yes, it helps your body wake up. Then I make breakfast and listen to some music or a podcast while I eat.
Do you always eat breakfast?
Always. It gives me energy for the day.
That's good. I sometimes skip breakfast when I'm in a hurry, which is not a good habit.
Aw, David, you should always eat something, even just fruit or yogurt.
You're right. I'll try to do better. After breakfast, what do you usually do?
I start work at 9 a.m. I work from home, so I sit at my desk with my laptop.
Do you like working from home?
Most of the time, yes. It's quiet and comfortable. But sometimes I miss talking to people in person.
Yes, that's true. I work at an office, so I talk to my coworkers every day.
That's nice. Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, I usually take a short break every 2 hours. I stand up, stretch, maybe get some water or coffee.
That's important. Sitting all day is not good for your back.
Yes, I know that very well. I also try to walk a little bit during lunch.
Oh, that's a great idea. I sometimes walk around my neighborhood after lunch too.
So, what do you usually eat for lunch?
I like something light, maybe a salad, soup, or rice with vegetables.
Healthy and simple. I usually go out with my coworkers. There's a small restaurant near our office. They make great noodles.
Oh, I love noodles.
Me too. After lunch, we sometimes take a short walk before going back to work.
That's nice. So, when you finish work, what do you do to relax?
After work, I go home, take a shower, and listen to music. Sometimes I play guitar too.
You play guitar? That's so cool.
A little. It helps me relax. And sometimes I watch a TV series or cook dinner.
What do you like to cook?
Pasta. It's easy and delicious.
I love pasta too.
What about you, Emily? What do you do after work to relax?
After work, I like to do some yoga or light exercise. Then I cook dinner, maybe rice with chicken or vegetables.
That sounds nice. Do you watch TV too?
Yes, sometimes. I love watching cooking shows or travel programs.
Oh, travel programs are fun. You can see many places without leaving your sofa.
Exactly. And sometimes I just read a book or talk with my family on the phone.
That's lovely. Talking with family always makes you feel better.
Yes, it does.
So, what about weekends? How do you spend your weekends, Emily?
Weekends are my favorite. On Saturday morning, I clean my apartment and do laundry. Then I usually meet my friends for lunch.
That sounds fun.
It is. We talk, laugh, and sometimes go shopping. On Sunday, I like to relax at home.
What do you do on Sunday?
I cook something special for lunch, water my plants, and maybe watch a movie.
Ah, I remember you love plants. How are they?
They're growing so well. My little jungle is happy.
That's great. My weekend is a bit different. On Saturday, I play football with my friends in the park.
Oh, nice. Exercise and fun at the same time.
Yes, and on Sunday, I like to rest, cook, and sometimes visit my parents.
That's lovely. Family time is so important.
Yes, it really is.
So, David, what are some healthy habits you try to follow every day?
Good question. I try to sleep early, drink enough water, and move my body every day. Even a short walk counts.
That's very good. For me, I try to eat vegetables with every meal and avoid too much sugar.
That's smart. Sugar is delicious, but dangerous.
Yes, but sometimes a little chocolate is okay.
Of course, balance is important.
Exactly.
Well, this has been a great chat. Very relaxing and useful for our listeners.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed listening and learned some new English for daily life.
And we'd love to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments. What are your healthy habits?
Do you exercise, eat vegetables, drink water, or sleep early?
Write your answers in English. We love reading them.
And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Podcast.
And give this episode a big thumbs up and share it with your friends or family who are learning English.
That really helps our podcast grow so we can make more episodes for you.
Exactly.